welcome to Math Made Easy with Grace. If you've ever felt like math is difficult or confusing, you are in the right place. I specialize in teaching maths for grades 2 to 8, slowly, step by step, and easy to understand. My goal is to make math simple, enjoyable, and confidence building. On this channel, you would learn easy tricks on solving any topic in math. You're not slow, you're not dull, you just need the right explanations. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and follow along with the lessons for your grade. If you need a more specialized or personalized lessons, I offer one-on-one tutoring on Preply. Check the description below and see the link, and we can have time on Preply. Thank you.